Hello, am I live? I think I'm live. I was having some difficulties this morning getting me to work. That was weird. Anyway, I think we're live. Hey, good morning everybody. Good morning. Let me know if I'm not live. Good morning, good morning. Timbo, good morning. Amakri, Trading Ever After, Spock Market, good morning. Lawrence, good morning. Jack Wiley, good morning. Matty Matt, good morning. Francis, Max 90, good morning. Good morning, Mr. Pushup. Good morning, Black Coffee Trader in the house. Yay, we are live. Let's go. Good morning, Sharouz, R5 Studios, Jimmy K, Aluba Tosin, good morning. Win, good morning. Microplayer, Namak. Hey, good to see you, Namak. Yeah, Namak, I am still, I don't know what is going on. I feel like the date format, something is majorly messed up. All right, we are about to open. Wow, big pullback here right at the open. And the market is open. Open for business. Let's see what happens. Looks like we want to pull back here at the open. We have the overnight session. The overnight session was actually pretty mild. Was kind of choppy. We pulled back some. We tested this 565 area, and then we kind of just chopped higher this morning at 4:30. So, not sure what to expect. All right, here we go. Testing VWAP now this morning. Let's see what happens. I feel like I'm so close but so far from payout. I kind of feel the same way with my accounts right now. Right now my accounts, these PA accounts, I am not making any progress. It's kind of deflating, but we're going to keep pressing onwards. I sent you an email. Wait, for real? Trading Ever After, I mean, first of all, emailing them every day, why? Wait, now this morning I got an email saying they sent it to the wrong account. Oh man, that sucks. Trading After. Oh, she was emailing me every day. Huh? So it was on their end. They sent it to the wrong account. I mean, I guess at least it sounds like they at least discovered what was wrong and now they're sending it to the right account. That's the first time I've heard that. That is the first time I've heard that they sent it to the wrong account and it was returned. But hey, I'm sorry, Trading Ever After. I guess you did have concerns that were valid. But you should be getting it. So they sent it now today. So you should be getting it hopefully tomorrow. Hopefully. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, man. It will be fine though. Okay? It will be fine. You will get paid. You will get it. That's what matters. But that sucks. It will be fine. All right, market, what's the plan here? Let's I'm going to be patient today. I don't know what to expect, to be honest. I mean, so one thing I'm looking at is the daily chart. Daily chart is, I mean, this thing is looking pretty bullish. This is looking very bullish. I mean, the only thing I can think of is maybe we come down and test the 500s before we keep going higher, but we're breaking above the 600s here, and we got the all-time highs sitting up here. I don't know. I'm pretty bullish. I'm gonna be pretty bullish. Hey, good morning, UCLA Trades, D Versatility, Larry Hudo. How we doing? We're doing great. It is another great day to be alive. Oh, we did break above that 650 area, I see. Obviously, we're coming up to this 665 and then the 680s where the market bumped its head yesterday. We couldn't seem to get above that area yesterday, so let's wait and see. See if we can rip above that 680 level and keep going. Kind of don't want to jump in. I'm not really interested in jumping in here until we get above that 670 area. No news today. You need 300 bucks to pass your 150K eval. Hey, good luck, sir. Those are sometimes the fun part. Yeah, currently Apex is 50% off. But it's gonna wait till a little bit further into the session here, but obviously I saw, everyone probably saw the email that Apex sent out, and yay, finally some good news. Finally some good news out of Apex. It's been a hot minute. It's been a hot minute. How can I contact you? Camille, contact me about... Oh, you can send me an email, Camille. My email is... Hang on, let me just put it in the chat. Let's go, Namak. Nicely done. There's my email. You can reach me that way. I promise it won't be spam. You're fine. You're fine. I get spammed all day long, so it takes me about 2 seconds to delete those emails, so no problem. Okay, we're pulling back a little bit more. All right, we're back down to the 620s here. As long as we hold, I mean, today's probably the day that we're just going to go sideways, because yesterday everyone was expecting the market to go sideways because of the bank holiday. Now today, we'll probably get that. Good morning, Tate. Max 90, good morning. Requested 34K this morning. Let's go, Max 90, and we'll pray for you. That's an awesome payout request. Congratulations. Let's go. That is pretty awesome. If you buy a reset, is the account still 1 day pass? Yeah. The 1 day pass is still active. We can see Top Step's payouts. Where can I see them? Actually, so Top Step has a Discord, and then they have a Discord channel that is specifically where they post all of their payouts. But as of yesterday at 5:07 p.m., they have a message that says, we're temporarily pausing payout updates on Discord to make important technical improvements. Once these are complete, we'll resume posting the payouts. Thank you for your understanding. So I guess right now they're not doing it. Can't wait till tomorrow. I have 57K gain on one account. Wait, what? Faisal, are you saying you have 57,000 in profit? Is that with Apex and you're still within the consistency rule? That's awesome. Wow. That's awesome. I missed all the Apex updates yesterday. Yeah, we haven't really discussed it yet. But the video, we've already discussed the video, so that's not really an issue. I did a video reaction to Daryl's interview. That's not the big issue. The kind of big news was that Apex finally announced that they are removing. It just said this payout request period for the 15th through the 20th, which is what we're in right now, will be the last payout request period. So this is the actual news. Is starting on November 1st, there will be no more request periods. No more having to wait on request periods. Just need to trade 8 trading days, and then you can request payout the night of the 8th trading day or anytime after. No more waiting. Also, easier, clear, transparent rules are coming. Fast approvals and payouts like you've seen over the last few months. Will you be able to DCA again? Supposedly, within the risk management limitations, but yes, multiple additional entries will be allowed, not just one. So here's the thing, guys. I'm gonna keep it a buck with you guys. I don't know about that whole DCA thing, man. I don't know, man. That sounds to me like there's gonna be a lot of gray areas I'm not a big fan of. So me personally, I ain't gonna DCA. I ain't gonna play with that fire and get burned. But we'll see how they clarify it. If they come out and clarify it, if they come out and clarify it really, like, if they clarify it where it's really easy, and black and white, hey, I'm all for it, man. I'm all for it. DCA gang is going to be in full force. DCA gang will be in full force. This is how I DCA. 20 point stop loss, 40 point take profit, and I DCA at like 18 points down. So I'm only risking like 2 more points on the new cons. I see. Yeah, I agree, Namak. I 100% agree. And I know you're one of them that is affected. I'm trying to get answers. Basically, I was told, hey, if you got a probationary video, they kind of were, they were trying to kind of shrug it, not shrug it off, but they were like, hey, if, because I was sharing that I feel like there's quite a bit of people that got the probationary video that shouldn't have. That was a false positive, and they didn't. I mean, they said, hey, yeah, they can make mistakes. Mistakes can happen. You can appeal it. And I said, well, I know people are trying to appeal it, and there's no response. And they said, well, we're really backed up right now. We will eventually get to it. And I mean, it is, I don't know. It is what it is, I guess. But I have a couple of your cases. Namak, yeah, I'm not sure, Namak. I'm not sure what we're going to do about your, it doesn't work for some reason. So I'm not sure what to do. I can't seem, it seems like the date format, I was trying to look on TradeZella if there's something I can do on my end. But yeah, I can't seem to find anything. It must be some kind of setting in your NinjaTrader setting on your date format that is messing it up. But what doesn't make sense to me is on the spreadsheet that you sent, some of the date formats are correct and then the other ones are not. So I'm very confused. But yeah, just, I guess, yeah, we can keep going back on email, but I'm hoping we can get that resolved. But all right, boys, market now continuing to go lower. We are about to test the opening 15-minute range low here. So we will just wait. There's no rush. All right, are we going to get a pump higher here? Is this 15-minute opening range low going to hold? Hey, good morning, John. Have been DCAing 6 micros on this opening range up 300. No, I think it is like anything else. DCAing can work. But if you DCA with the, basically, if you DCA and your stop loss is your account, that's the problem. And for me personally, my problem is when I start to DCA, the reason I DCA is because I'm not willing to accept the loss. So that's just never, it's like I know if I DCA, it's because I was not willing to accept a loss. So now I also know if it keeps going against me, the chance that I'm going to accept a loss is even lower. So it's just not, it doesn't make sense for me to do it. I don't want to make a habit of doing it. But hey, to each their own, you know. I think DCAing can definitely be done and done successfully, but I think very few people actually do it successfully, especially when you're trading with prop firms. I think prop firms, if trading prop firms is very easy to DCA the wrong way. Hey, cycling grandpa. What? Wait. Cycling Grandpa, were you not put on probation? Do we have our first person that was on probation and they traded and they now are approved? Let's go. 9K payout request at 12:05 a.m. and you were approved at 12:15. Funds removed before the market open. Hold it. That's impressive. Thank you, Cycling Grandpa. Thank you for the 10. I really do appreciate it. And congratulations on the payout. Congratulations on the approval. Now that's what you love to see. That is what you love to see. Let's hope there's more of that. That's insane. That is something I can get behind. DCA is like Nutty Bars. You can't have just one. Let's go. They removed. Okay, so they removed the. Okay, I see. Okay, that's very interesting. Was your account balance in the, like, did you have to request that went into the buffer? Or did you just request outside of the buffer? And they did say that after 5 days, you can, reapply, I guess. Is that a best way to say it? Wow, look at that pump higher. Man, we double bottom right here. Did anybody take this trade, that double bottom trade? Congratulations if you did. It's a nice looking trade right now. Let's see if we rip above that 650 area. If we rip above this 650, I think we're going to the 680s. Here we go, 655s. Let's see if she can go. 655s. Can she do it? 655s. If we can get above this 660s, gotta get above the 660s. We can make a move up to the 680s and then 700s. It is looking bullish. And then never mind. Looking bullish, and immediately we pull back. We could not get above that 50 area, so I guess let's wait and see. Is it not going to... Does it not want to do it? It looked bullish. Another combine pass. Let's go, Namak. Let's go. You put a 2K request in an hour ago, Trade Bum. Okay, keep us informed. Keep us informed. Let's go, Amakre. Got the 150K passed. Nicely done. Nicely done. Oh, today, yeah, this week would be option expiration week. True. How are my combines? I don't have any current combines. I don't have any. The only thing I'm trading is these funded accounts from Apex. And I still have 2 XFAs from Top Step that I'm currently trading. But that's it. That is it, folks. I did have a pretty nice overnight session on my Top Step account. Now we just need I've been debating, contemplating about trying to pass more XFAs, but I don't know. It's kind of expensive. How are the XFAs? They're doing great. They're doing great. My one XFA, I now have an account balance. I mean, my current balance is almost 18,000, but I've taken... I'm actually surprised that they haven't put me on a live account, but I don't care. I think I have 43,000 in total profit in this one account. But obviously I've taken payouts from it. All right, now we're continuing. Now we're pulling back. Just could not get above that 50s. We tested the 55s and that was it. Just got kicked out of the payout town. What? What do you mean, Mr. Pushup? What is my code for profit trade? Profit trade. You mean take profit? How long have I been trading it? I think I'm on, I think I have 19 days of $200 or more. But I've had the account for about a month. Profit trade is a new prop. Yeah, I don't have a code for that. Sabak, I guess thanks for checking, but I'm not currently affiliated. Only people I'm affiliated with is Take Profit Trader and Apex. Any of you guys have tried UProfit? They have the new 50K just like Top Step. Yeah, Mockery. I was actually looking at that. Someone I saw somewhere on the Discord. I saw it. The only thing that's different that I could tell is they do have a consistency rule. They do have a consistency rule in Mockery, which Top Step would not have. So that's the only kind of big difference that I could tell. Yeah, I mean it is what it is. I'm just not a fan of jumping on board with these new prop firms. These new prop firms that keep popping up overnight and just not, I don't think it's worth it. I don't think it's worth putting your money into it. I would rather put my money into prop firms that have been around for a while. But I'm conservative like that. So, hey, you know, people got to do what they got to do. All right. Is this market going to make a move now or not? We just chilling. Very choppy open, to be honest. We have a 53-point opening 15-minute range, which isn't a lot. New prop firms don't scare you. Well, that's some famous last words. It's going to happen, guys. I'm going to tell you right now, it is going to happen. Some of these new prop firms are going to go belly up, and it's going to put the fear into this space. And it's going to cause issues. And a lot of these new prop firms, they promote all this new shiny stuff. And then they get the customers, and then they're going to change the rules. But hey, I guess, I mean, like I said, to each their own. If you want to try them, go for it. Just know your risk. Know your risk. All right, I feel like this thing could fall apart here. This could fall apart and go test that 500 level. It's very choppy here. Yeah, I mean, that's what UCLA trades. I mean, you got Top Step, you got Apex, you got Buell Knox, you have... I know I'm missing Take Profit Trader. You have Who else? And my funded futures. Like you have plenty of prop firms that are reputable, have been in the game for a long time. But hey, like I said, to each their own. Okay, can we get going? Can we make a move higher? I really want this to make a move above this 670, 660 area. I really do. But it's having a very hard time. It's having a difficult time doing it. All right, here we go. Looks like we make the push here. It's tempting to go in here, but all right, can we make a push above this 650 area and hold it and see if we can do it? Hey, Snazzy, appreciate the sub. Thank you. And we're pulling back again. Man. You know what? I need to go get my coffee. There's supposedly 20 new prop firms coming up. At least that's what Word of Wisdom said in an interview. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised, to be honest. But that's also, I mean, it's not going to hold up. And we're back. Man, this market, this is what I expected yesterday. This is what I expected yesterday. Now we get it today. But man, what a just ugh chop fest. Design. Feel a lot of bans are coming. Yeah, I kind of feel a lot of I feel some bans coming as well. I do have to agree. A lot of once again, Nutty is late to the game, hanging on to Apex. Oh my gosh, don't get me started. You mean to tell me just because I'm not affiliated with 100 different prop firms and every fly-by-night, overnight pop-up prop firm, you mean that's a bad thing? I'm sorry. Let me go get affiliated with 20 prop firms and just promote every single one of them. Would that be preferred? Would that fit your taste? The prop firm whores. All right, we are testing the 615s here. Down. Let's see if we hold at the 605s here or not. We have tried it multiple times. We keep bouncing off the VWAP here. Yeah, directive funding is the future until regulation comes in and all those prop firms will be shut down. Then you guys will be crying like a baby. Oh, wah, bah, bah. Direct to payout is the future. Yeah, design. Hey, I'll give you can buy an account for $1,000 and then a prop firm will guarantee you direct payout of $500. And some idiots will think that's a good deal. That's how stupid this industry is. It's like, oh, you mean I can give you $1,000 and you'll give me $500 back? Wow. Let's jump right on that. And then they'll have, yeah, whatever. But hey, you do you. Yeah, it's like, wow, great. I can just guarantee to lose $500. Sign me up. Give me 20 accounts. All right, we are right here at the 600s. Can it hold? I don't think it will. Maybe we come test all the way down here at the 60s, 570s. But this is looking pretty bearish. All right, down through the 595s. We are going lower at the moment. I would be losing less. Sign me up. Joey Bag of Donuts said it was the future in one of his videos. Yeah. Yeah, you don't need to place a single trade. They just give you $500 for your $1,000 account. And then your drawdown is $500. You have a $500 drawdown. They pay you $500 for a $1,000 account, and everyone will be like, "Oh, guys, did you see this new prop firm? This is great." Look at this move. We are ripping this thing lower. Let's see. Let's see if the overnight low holds up. 563s. Let's see if it holds. It's gonna be awesome. You know what's really crazy for me that I find is really funny? People that are struggling to pass evals, they're the ones that now think direct to funding is the best thing ever, but they can't pass evals. Like, it makes me cringe to think how much money people will lose with these direct to funding. It's gonna be, it's insane. All right, 575s. I don't know that I don't really want to test this at all. We could even come test all the way down here the 530s. Just a massive sell-off here. Will they still do the 3-month restriction TCM trades? I mean, I would assume that they would. I'm trying to think how that would change that. I guess that could be, yeah, I didn't think about that TCM. But that is actually a good point. That could affect that a little bit. I don't know. I haven't heard anything different, so until we hear, I guess we just wait. I'm not sure. But you could technically, you could almost have no payout cap at all in like 5 weeks if you do it right. Right? Because you could take a payout at the end of a month, like right at the end of the month, and then David Wren, be humble. You were one of them who have gone through tons of evals. You must not understand what I'm saying, David. I'm not saying that. I'm saying if you're struggling to pass evals, the worst thing you can do is buy a lot of direct to funded accounts. Don't you get it? What makes you think you can trade profitably with a direct to funding account if you can't trade evals? That was my point, David. All right, we are at equal lows here from the overnight session. I don't really trust I don't trust along here at all, but let's see if we at least get a bounce here. Oh, might look at taking a short here if we get a good entry. Just a continuation lower. Yeah, I think I would too, TCM trades, until you kind of hear differently. It's because those people are YOLOing evals instead of treating them like funded accounts. So they don't have any discipline. Is that what you're saying? All I'm saying is with this direct to funding who kind of hype that's going around. There's one portion of it that no one talks about. There's one portion that no one is talking about, and it is the cost. The cost and how much, like, if you're a new trader or struggling and not consistent, the amount of money that you can lose in a short amount of time is pretty crazy. All right, are we going to make new lows here? We might bounce. We might make a move here. Is it, wait, Mr. Pushup, are you saying it takes long? It's taking a long time to activate or what? I haven't activated one in a long time, so I don't really know, but that is interesting. All right, let's see if we get a push higher here. Maybe we get a reversal here. Right off of that double bottom. Or it's just going to keep ripping lower like this. All right, let's see if this holds. She wants to rip it. Uh-oh, this doesn't look good for the bulls. Will this hold? No, it will not. There it goes. New lows. Ripping right through the 565s down to the 560s. She going lower, folks. Okay, Vodkin, but that is my point. If you're buying 50 evals to pass 10, then you're not ready for funded accounts. That's my point. Hang on, I got to take this call. Hey, and we're back. All right, let's see if we just continue lower here. Might have just been a wick lower here to take out the stops, and now we go, maybe now we go make a move higher. We got to get above that 580s, though. You're shutting down for the day, Manny Matt? Hey, that's not a bad idea. Right now, I'm not crazy for this price action, but and we just continue to go lower here. And my coffee is ready. We have to substitute the Nutty Bars this morning for cookies. We're at least we're consolidating here. I do think it. Very interested to see if we try to make a move higher right here. Cookies dipped in coffee? Wait, are you saying question mark as in you don't do that? Oh, Dave. You got to try it. You take your cookie and you dunk it into the coffee. And then you eat it. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I'm not even sure what kind of cookie this is. I think it's like one of those. I think it's a Chips Ahoy cookie. Oh, wow. Look at that. New lows coming. Man, we might need to look for shorts, I guess. You know the market's going to make a move higher at some point today. We just have to wait. Man, if we make a move above this, I think I'm going to take a stab at it. If we break this, I'm going to take a stab at it. We're in, folks. We are in. I think that was some terrible fillage. Come on, don't give up on me now. This right here is where it gets tricky, because if we roll over right here, it's going to be a yikes. Need a continuation. Pop it. Come on. Oh, that's going to do it. Yeah, this might have been a bad entry. As long as we don't make new lows, we'll be okay, but this doesn't look good. Looks like we got trapped. Feels bad. Yeah, it's just going to take us out right away. Whoa! Jeez. That was rough. Big rip lower. Big rip lower. All right, we got to look for shorts, I guess. This thing doesn't want to stop yet. We have right here, we got the 530s. Wow, that's crazy. Was there news or something that I missed? But man, what in the world? What a rip lower. Woof. Well, that's why we use stop losses right there. That's why we use stop losses. There's got to be something coming out. There's got to be some kind of news or something, isn't it? It's a pretty massive rip lower. Man. Excuse me. Excuse me for thinking we might reverse right there. My bad. Man, that's a crazy sell-off here. We do have some kind of support here at the 480s. But man, this is just straight ripping lower right now. No mercy. There we go, all the way down to the 480s. Through the 480s, through the 470s. What an absolute rip lower here. Woof. That is crazy. That's a 100-point move in 2 minutes. Man, these are trades like I know I took a loss on this trade. It still doesn't feel that bad. Like the fact that we took our loss right where we did, that is one of those loss or losing trades where you look back and you're just thankful that you had a stop loss where you did. Because wow, what a crazy rip lower. That will just rip your face off. All right, now it wants to maybe make it bounce. Maybe it wants to bounce here. Maybe not. You know we're going to get a rip higher here soon. Man, here we go. This is... We're just keep selling off here. Ripping it lower. Anyone else getting an error message on Guardian Trader that won't let Ninja Trader load? What? I'm not, and I use it. That's weird. Sorry, here's Johnny. I'm pretty happy with only taking a $200 loss there, but obviously I wish I would have been short, but man, this is crazy. We are now from the 650s to the 450s, 200-point move lower since the highs up here at the 650s. Wow, wow, wow. Let's see if we get any kind of move higher here. Nope, down we go. 430s. Down we go. Hey, man, I don't know what to do here. 420s now, all the way down. There is no end in sight. This thing is, it's like the market is mad. The bulls are mad. They are out for blood. They ain't messing around. considering just maybe I just need to jump in short here and hold on. Now maybe we get a push. Let's see if we make new lows. See if the 420s hold. So far, everything's just getting sold. Everything. And there we go. Through the 420s, 415s. Just no mercy in sight. No mercy. All the way down to the 400s. She ain't stopping, boys. Oh my gosh. What is going on? What is going on here? This is crazy. Man, I'm glad I'm not in a position. Jeez. It's just crazy right now. Is there news or something? Did I miss some kind of news event? Yeah, 2 days of grinding higher, taken out in 45 minutes. Yep. Yeah, oh man, I'm so glad that I got stopped out where I did. Jeez. Yeah, I couldn't find any news either. It's just a sell-off. It's just getting a big old sell-off. But I am about to, man, this is where it's so hard to trade this because if you just jump in here short, it can rip against you so quickly. All right, down through the 390s, continuing to make new lows. All the way down through the 375s, down to the 380s. No end in sight. Down she goes. Down to the 360s. Oh man, I have a strong desire to just scalp a little bit here, but I know it's a bad idea. Come on, give me a nice entry short here or something. See if this actually will take a move now, if it's going to make a move higher or not. Man, it's been a while since we've had this kind of sell-off. Going to be a lot of knife catchers. Going to be a lot of knife catchers. And here we go. About to make new lows. There she goes. 350s. Just no mercy. No mercy at all. All right, 345s, 340s coming in. Nothing is stopping.
Hello.
Hey, what's
Hi.
up? Oh man, look at that. Through the 340s now. Are we, I mean, you got to think we're going to get a move higher here at some point. Right? I'm going to try something possibly not smart. This is probably not a good idea. Come on, give it to me. I don't want to get greedy on a reversal though. Hey. Why could you not just fill me right there? Dang. Oh, no. No. Oh, that's terrible. Okay, rip it. All right, I got to get out. I just, this big of a downtrend, I should have taken my profit right there. I don't know. That's unfortunate. But when you're trying to catch a falling knife is usually not a great time to try to get a big runner going. Probably should have held. Yeah, the boring day today, not the case anymore. This is crazy. Man, I should have just held on to it. I think we're going to rip this thing higher. Unfortunate. Got a little bit cold feet. See, if we go below this, then I need to, we almost need to look at another short. Right? Oh. And here we go. Is he gonna fill us? I don't think it will. I think it's just going higher. Yeah, it's going higher. Or is it? It's very choppy right here. Hey, this volatility is getting crazy. Yeah, I think we're gonna push higher here. Really wish I would have just tried to hold on to that one, but when we're in this big of a sell-off, it's hard to. Trying to catch reversals is a very dangerous game. Very dangerous game to play. What concepts do I trade? Let's not. We don't talk about that. I just trade. That was a 12% move. All right, let's see. See if we actually get a nice reversal here or not. Anyone know why the market dropped so fast? Nope, we didn't. We do not know. If we knew, we'd be millionaires. Yeah, design. We got some idiots in the chat. Okay, right now this is definitely not a reversal. This is just a pullback, and it could just be profit taking. And I'm still kind of looking for a long or a short, but we shall see. Very, very volatile here. It's crazy. And there it rips. Maybe this is the reversal. It could be. There's definitely a chance that it is the reversal. Oh man, in hindsight, everything's so much easier, but sure would be nice to still be in that trade. The banks came back today and they were mad. Yeah, I think there's definitely a chance that we take another leg lower. Almost right now, if we... Like, my entry is right here. Obviously, I'm going to look for a little bigger moves. But we might not. We might just keep going higher, and if we do, that's okay. But we see how this thing has now all the way down, and it started to turn green. If we don't reverse here, then this might, or if we don't pull, make new lows here. I prefer to see like an attempt to make new lows and a failure, and then we make a move higher. Usually that is how the reversals happen, but not always. Sometimes the reversals just rip lower, rip higher. No retest, nothing. Just straight up. Okay, this is it right here. See what happens. If we get filled and then it rips higher, I'm going to be super not happy. Thankfully did not get filled there. That looks like it might. Man, I was really close to getting filled. Oof. All right, I'm not going to look for that entry anymore. Hey, we might just have a V-shaped reversal. No retest of the lows, nothing. We just go straight up from here. I've seen that movie before. We all know it's possible. NQ can do anything. Oh. Oh, I mean, yeah, Viking. I feel like, this trade here, I'm totally fine taking the loss right there. That's fine. This trade here, I was just a little bit scared. I felt pretty good about it long, but I didn't trust it enough to hold. And I definitely obviously wish I would have, but hey, it is what it is. All right, here we go. Just continuing to rip higher now. Now it's starting to feel like this might just be the reversal. I got very fortunate right there that I did not get filled on that move lower. I was probably 2 ticks away from getting filled. So, ooh. Look at yesterday's high, 680 from the lowest of last sell-off, which is 818. I like myself a fib levels. But hey, if you took this trade and you still hold 81s, we'd be 60-point move, 65-point move right now. Unbelievable. Crazy. This is an exciting market to trade today. Hey, Bill C, you have a nice green day. Let's go. Nicely done. Nicely done. Yeah, anyone that just caught, anyone that was looking for shorts, feel like the entry right here where my stop was would have, I mean, once we failed here, I mean, that was the move you dream about. This kind of move right here, it's the move you dream about when you are short biased and you get your setup. That's what dreams are made of. Oh, what do we have here, John? Let's go. Okay. John, you never disappoint. Just want you to know that. You never disappoint, John. Hey, Imabu, good morning. Good morning. How we doing? It's a good day to full port. Oh yeah, see. Right here, this move, this is where DCA dreams go to die. This is where the DCA dreams go to die. 33 contracts NQ long. Let's go. Good luck, my sir. Oh my gosh, I wasn't paying attention. I'm such an idiot. Oh my gosh. Oh, I wasn't paying attention here. Oh my goodness. Right there was our short. Hold it. That's what I get for taking my eye off the screen for what, 3 minutes? That's what I get for replying to emails and trying to trade at the same time. Yeah. Put up a fib on this bounce. All right, let's see. I like myself a good Fibonacci. Whoops, not that. Okay, that's not right. Where? The fib levels come out to exactly here. Interesting. All right, are we going to, is this the first attempt at making a new low? Oh man, I don't know if I trust this. Wow. She ripping higher, man. Just ripping it higher now. All right, we got to wait. We got to chill. Don't want to be chasing this. How's the kids? They great. Kids are doing great. It was 35 now 87. Yeah, right now Apex has only a 50% discount running, so you just got to be patient and wait. Hopefully, I mean, this has been the longest that Apex has gone without a good promotion in quite a while. So I don't know. Maybe Apex, I don't know. I guess we'll wait and see. We will wait and see. But this is now continuing to push down. Wait, DJI came out with a new drone? What? DJI Air 3S? I need to watch this. Man, if we push down below this, I don't know that I like this, man. We need this thing to push down. We need it to push. And it's not doing it. I'm getting nervous. I'm getting nervous. Come on, push it right here. All right, now we can breathe. I'm just going to put my stop. Put my stop right here, and hopefully we can go test those lows. That's what we need. Rip it lower, man. Push it lower. Flush it. Come on, flush it. I'm afraid it's just going to rip higher here. Just not getting any follow through. Uh-oh. Not cool, man. I'm just going to take it. We're going to scratch. We're going to scratch and claw our way out of this one. Okay, I need to... What the heck is that? Am I gonna... Air 3S. What? Cow's wobbling, looking to break lower. I mean, I feel like anytime we do that, like, it's just, I don't know. I definitely am struggling to hold my trades. I'm struggling to hold my trades, but I don't know. Just trying to battle back, I guess. I'm here for the green lawnmowers and golf. Yes, Matty Matt. Yes. How do I get my NinjaTrader platform to look like this? This is a chart trader from Affordable Indicators. But the rest, I mean, this is the opening range or initial imbalance. This is basically, this is just an indicator from Trade Devil Indicators. Nothing special. If I'm trading on my Sidekick account, no, I'm not, Dean Bishop. I have locked myself out of my Top Step accounts. I locked in $2,800 profit on my one account and $1,100 on my other account. We chilling. We chilling. Look at that. We would have hit my profit target both times had I just stayed patient. We would be officially in the green had I just stayed patient. I hate when I start trading this way when I'm not patient. What we live in, we learn. See if we can't chip away and, like, right now, like, this is tempting. If we fail to make new lows here, then I really do like the longs. I really do like it. Man, do I jump in here? I missed it. I missed it. All right, I'm going to take it. Come on, just rip straight up. That would be awesome. Rip it. We need to get above this level right here, the 410s. If we don't, I am going to bail on this pretty quickly. I am not going to let this just rip against me. Or am I? Okay, I like it. Let's keep it. Come on, rip it. Do it. Go, baby. Get that happy medium of not getting greedy. I'm just going to take it. Again, I'm just going to kind of scalp my way back and not let trades go against me in this volatile market. Just got to scalp our way out of this. What is my entry? From we failed to make a new low here. And as soon as we push above this previous candle, that's basically it. It is a higher low. That's why I want to just take my profit here and be happy with it. But the fact that we didn't make a new low here, then like that's really what I was looking at. All right, it continues. We're just kind of capturing small itty bitty parts of this move. And honestly, I'm okay with it. I am totally okay with this. Wow, that's a nice rip higher there. This is now looking more like the reversal because we failed to make a new low here. Now we just need to get above this S1 pivot point. If we get above that, I think a full-on reversal is actually in play here, potentially. But we shall see. We shall wait and see. Why we not just be patient and realign with the shorts? I mean, because we failed to make new lows. The trend is no longer really intact at this point. Look at this rip. I mean, if you want to go short, be my guest. I ain't going to stop you. I wish you luck. Alanim, I love when people come into my chat and they say, you literally have no trade plan, or if you do, you have a hard time following it. Ha ha ha. Well, guess what, Alanim? I want to give you a secret. I'm going to tell you a nice little secret. Give you a nice secret here. You ready? I don't care what you say. And why do you care? You come into a stranger's chat and you think you're going to educate like you're some professional. Get out of town with that BS. Did you go short, Alanim? Getting your face ripped off? David. You sound like an ICT trader. Either you're a newbie, Alanim, like you're just learning how to trade. David Hoover, me and Kellyanne are good or bad terms. We're on okay terms. We agree to disagree on certain things, but we're on good terms. Me and Kellyanne, we're on good terms. We just don't see eye to eye on a couple things, but that's okay. We don't have to agree on everything. Have a trade plan means you have confidence in my setups. Well, I'm going to give you a news flash. Every trader, regardless what trade plan or what strategy they trade, they understand that when you enter a trade, you know that the trade can also be a loss. Okay, that's part of trading. So when we go in a trade and it starts going against us, I'm not a robot. I'm not going to sit here and just pretend like that, I don't trade as a robot. I'm not a robot. I'm a human being. I'm going to have emotions. All right? If you got a problem with that, then leave. I ain't holding you captive. If you don't like it, go somewhere else. Quite frankly, you might need to go somewhere else. So, wait, DJI came out. I'm actually upset at this release. DJI came out with a new drone that is basically going to make the drone I have obsolete. Oh, man. Like I said, Alanim, hey, let me help you. Feel like you're struggling a little bit. You're struggling to understand what I'm trying to tell you. I feel like you might not quite understand what I'm trying to say, so let me help you. There, does that make more sense now? Can you get it through your head? I don't care. Hopefully I wasn't unclear. Okay, so the 1-inch camera has a 1-inch sensor, 50 megapixels, f1.8. Okay. A lot of that is not that different. I don't know, guys. We might be buying we might be buying a new drone today. Oh man. All right, we double topped right here. We double topped. I could have taken a short again here, but now we're just kind of trading in a range, and I'd prefer to wait it out. Let's just be patient. I'll stream from the drone. Yeah, it was DJI. They came out with their news release. That's why the market tanked. Yeah, John. 35K drone to follow you when you mow your lawn. Very funny, John. Very funny guy. The Air 3. So the DJI Air 3S, they just came out with, and I'm jealous. I'm actually jealous that I now only have the Mavic 3. I feel inferior. What do I think about FTT? I feel like I get asked that like twice every single day, and I'm tired of answering it. But what I think of FTT, first of all, probably isn't going to change anyone's mind anyway, because they've got a nice little cult going on over there, but they are currently still behind on payouts. And a week and a half ago, Scott literally admitted that they don't have enough money to pay everyone. Okay, so when a prop firm doesn't have enough money to pay people, and they continue to, that continues to be the case, I don't know. For me, personally, I wouldn't put my money in there, but, people do what they want to do. So they have a 50 megapixel camera on the main camera. That's insane. Actually, that's actually on. And then they have a f2.8 stop on the 3x telecam. I'm upset. I'm going to go on. It's okay, David. You were nice. You asked in a nice way. It's okay. Exactly, Dad Nader. Didn't know he was getting these questions often. It's okay, David. It's okay. No problemo. I'm convinced that I get a lot of people from the FTT Discord. They come over, they ask my opinion on FTT, and then they just want to troll me about my opinion. That's what it feels like sometimes. You watch Patrick Whelan promoting his on steroids? Yeah, I would be careful with anything. Yeah. Patient trader. Oh, patient trader. Thanks for making me laugh. You're such a troll. Oh, too funny. Man, I feel like I could take a short here, but the problem is we're at that point where, how I always try to ask myself, okay, am I okay taking a loss? And if the answer isn't a resounding yes, then I might need to reconsider and maybe not take a trade. That's where we're at right now, because we kind of fought our way back from being down 200. We're still red, but very little. I would almost say we're break even. And if I take another trade and it's a loss, it's going to be hard to swallow. And I never trade well. I just don't. I don't trade well when I'm not like completely okay with taking a loss. And it's just, I've been trying really hard to ask myself that question anytime before I get in a trade. And if the answer isn't a resounding yes, that I'm totally fine taking a loss, then I just need to not take the trade. I think that will hold up in the long run as a good thing, but for now, I'm going to wait. I'm just going to wait and see if we don't get better setups here. What do I do with all the money I make from trading? Trolls. Trolls. You might laugh at this, but here's what I do with all the money I make. That goes with my affiliates, that goes with my payouts, everything. My wife takes care of it. It goes to my wife for the most part. Goes to the wife, and she kind of takes care of the finances. Now, we will obviously sit down and, if I want to buy a new lawnmower, if I want to buy some new golf clubs, you know what I mean. Then we have a conversation, and I have to present my case. I have to, it's kind of like where I present my case. I'm like, honey, I know I just bought a new lawnmower a year ago, but here's why I need a newer one. If I can't explain why I need a newer one, then it's probably a good sign that I actually don't need a newer lawnmower. Yeah, but I am definitely the spender of the fam. Like both of us, like I am the spender. Okay, I'm the spender and the giver. Like I am very lenient when it comes to money. I don't like, I don't tie. I'm one of those people that I do not judge people based on how much money they have. That is one of my pet peeves that people do, is when they see someone with a lot of money, they immediately, like, I don't know why, but they look down on people that don't have a lot of money. Like, are the same people that then will like really hold people with a lot of money up on a pedestal when they have no idea how that money, like, there's a lot of people with a lot of money that are just scumbags, and to judge someone's character or something based on how much money they have is so cringy to me. But that's a separate subject that we don't need to get into right now. But I right now right now, this is, I need you guys to help me. I need to somehow present a case to the wife on why I currently need, well, let's rephrase, why I want this new DJI Air 3 drone. Why do I need a new drone? I need help. I need your guys' help here. You want the specs for the new laptop? Here, let me look. I'll crash my other one. Ooh. That's actually not a terrible idea. We need to keep things between us. We need to be careful how much some of that we can't talk about here, okay? That's not a bad idea though. Hey, Matt, here. Right there is the link for the laptop. You can just actually look at it. That is the one. But it has the 4090 graphics card. It has the Intel Core i9 14900 processor, 2 terabyte hard drive, 32 gigabytes of RAM. That's the one, that's the laptop that I got. Well, that my son got. How am I taxed in the US from prop trading, trolls? So the way that in the US you get taxed as a 1099 contractor. So it would basically be the same way that you get taxed if you're just an independent contractor. That's how you get your tax, how it is taxed in the US. I can sell my old one and offset the cost as well. The other thing that I usually say is, hey, I like to make a goal for myself where, hey, you know what? Maybe we'll do this, guys. If we can get these accounts to another payout, part of my reward is that I get to buy the new drone. I like that. I think she would go for that. I think I could convince her of that. It's kind of like a good job, buddy, and pat on the back kind of thing, you know? When you have your 3-year-olds that you're potty training and they actually do a good job, you give them some candy. It's the same concept. I like it. I like it. I think we can run with that. That's the story. That's what we're going to do. Can you stream off that, Matty Matt? Yes, you can. Yep, for sure. That has plenty of, that's got plenty of power to stream and trade. That's what I'm doing. I like it. Plus no cavities. No, it's not investors. It's DJI just came out with a new drone. It's called the DJI Air 3S. It's got a better camera than my Mavic 3 does, which quite frankly kind of annoying. And it's got some software. Actually, I will probably get the same software updates. So the only thing the Air 3S doesn't have is the 7X telecam. That could actually be a problem, I guess. Did I catch the sell? No, I did not, Patrish. No, I did not. Actually, if we zoom in here, you can see my first trade was right here. And I got absolutely destroyed. We pulled back. We were right at the pivot point. I thought it was worth it. I'm okay taking this trade. We made a move above this, and I thought, hey, it's worth taking a stab at this. Thought we might make a move back up, and we got our face ripped off, got stopped out right here. So thankfully, this is why you use stops, because this would have ended terribly had I not used that stop. When she asks for the other drone, just tell her I don't know what you're talking about. You know, Needed to stream. I actually, the laptop that I just sent, that laptop is actually my son's laptop. When we move to Florida, I'll be taking this exact setup to Florida. I'll be taking this computer and I'll be taking basically all my stuff, and we're actually going to be hauling a U-Haul trailer to kind of put all our stuff in it that we want to take. And, but yeah. And I just found out, guys, that, so we're moving to Florida. We'll be down there for 5 months, starting November 1st. October 30th is when we leave. And October 30th is literally tomorrow in 2 weeks. So I'm not quite sure the 28th, like the week of the 27th, I might take that whole week off just to get ready and to help pack and everything. Not sure yet. Going to depend a little bit how much work we still have to do. But tomorrow in 2 weeks, we will be packing up, cleaning out. Now, obviously, we're not taking our furnishings. We're just taking like my computer, a lot of our clothes, obviously, just some miscellaneous stuff like our printer, stuff like that that we really need. And, but yeah, it'll be crazy. It's going to be crazy. I'm excited. I'm starting to get a little bit more excited. But at the same time, I'm also kind of not sure what to expect. It's going to be so weird living that far away from family. That's going to suck a little bit, but yeah, I don't know. It's going to be so different. Yes, I do have a place. We have a place locked in already. We've had a place locked in since late spring. Hey, I know I'm gonna like it. I'm just it's just gonna be different. I've never lived outside of Ohio ever, so if I'm moving for work, no, I'm moving because of my lung condition that I have. I have pulmonary sarcoidosis, and it really flares up in the winter with the cold air up here. So we're going to try to go to Florida, and hopefully that will allow it to heal and hopefully go away. But yeah, Sarasota, there's a lot of Amish and Mennonite in that Sarasota community. And that's kind of why we're going down there as well. There's going to be a lot of people that we will know, and Pat might invite me to drive the Lambo. Oh man, I don't know. I don't think he likes me, you know. He had a friend that lived in Florida, crazy high rent. I mean, we're paying a pretty decent penny for where we're moving to, I gotta say. But we thought we were just gonna have our home up here be empty. But just in the last, I think 2 days ago, we got a call. We got a call from someone that somehow through the grapevine, they heard that we're moving to Florida for the winter and that our house was just going to be empty. And they just came back from Haiti. They were serving as missionaries in Haiti for 16 years. And they just came back because of it's just no longer safe in Haiti. So they came back and they don't have any place to live. So I guess our place will not be empty. They're going to stay here, and hopefully they'll be able to find a place before April, or we'll have to chase them out. After the hurricane, they were probably looking like a mess right now. Actually, Sarasota wasn't hit that hard. Actually. So if I heard about Profit Trade, the new prop firm, yeah, I've heard about it. I'm just not one to jump on these new prop firms. I'm not doing it. It's just, to me, is not worth it. But hey, if you want to try them out, I guess go for it. Just just be careful, be cautious. Don't be going in head first. Stick your toe in the water first. Make sure they don't squat. I'm sure they'll be fine. Is prop firm a main source of income? Close. Wait, Carolina, what did you offer, Carolina? I didn't catch it. What, let me find it. What did you ask me? I feel like I missed so many messages. I don't see it. Oh, you were trolling about the instant. Yeah, yep. Okay, we're kind of bleeding lower here. Interesting. Well, yeah, we're just going sideways right now. We're just going sideways. Let's see if we actually... What are we going to do, market? Yeah, Dutch Cub or the Der Dutchman and Mrs. Yoder's. Oh, yeah, we'll definitely be eating there a lot. Yes, indeed. I offered to stay at your... Oh, yeah, now I remember, Carolina. Now I remember. Yeah, I'm sorry. Looks like that's not going to work out. Unfortunate, man. Sarasota was hit hard on the beach side and St. Armand's was killed. Are you serious, David? Okay, I did not know that. I saw some footage. There was someone that did a drone footage flyover of Siesta Beach. You could tell that the sand was washed in quite a bit, but it wasn't anything crazier or anything crazy. Andy Raver is your favorite auctioneer. Oh, nice. Yeah, I know him. Okay, David Huber. Well, hey, I got okay, well, that's good to know, David. If I need information, I know where to go. Well, market, I think the market is tired. The market is tired. It got very much destroyed on the way down. Man, it's been a while since we had a big sell-off like this. We might actually, this might pull back again. Okay, here we go. Man, I'm tempted. You know what we're going to do? We're going to scale down. We're only going to do 2 micros, and we're just going to kind of see if we can't catch something here. So far, we've struggled to stay above this EMA. Just haven't been able to do it. So, yeah, let's see. Got a feeling this might... If we lose this, I kind of want to see if we don't make new lows here. And I'm not sure how smart this is though. Right at the bottom of this range. Almost need to have it like right here. No need to rush. Trading ever after. It was nobody's fault but theirs. I get it. No, that's well, the good news is you'll get it. The bad news was it took way longer than it should have. Man, I'm just gonna wait. Man, I really wonder this is gonna just fall apart. If we make a move down below this 360 area, and I think this has potential to just rip to new lows. I think I'm gonna try it. I'm looking for a quick flush. If we don't get it, that's fine. Yeah, we might not get it. All right, I'm gonna cancel it here. This looks like it wants to go higher now. And, oh, man. Yeah, the lifetime $85 is still a thing, yes. Is Apex still asking for video proof? No, I don't think they're doing the video. That was just for that one time. They're not. I haven't heard of anyone being asked for a video in the last, I don't know, month and a half. Oh, man, we are right here at the lows, or at this kind of triple bottom we've put in. What are we going to do? Nikki James, but they still don't want traders to DCA more than one time per trade on the PA accounts. Nikki Jams, they came out with an email yesterday that supposedly DCA is going to be allowed again to a certain extent. I don't know what that means, but they're also taking away the payout windows. The payout windows, taking away the payout windows, in my opinion, is going to be. I think that is awesome. I love that part. And I'm hoping, my hope is that taking away the payout windows, really fast payout processing, fast approval, fast payouts, no payout windows. If they just do that, like, I think that would be awesome. Oh, and there we go. Oh, there it goes, and I'm not gonna get it. 1 inch. Hmm. Man, let's see if we make new lows. This is just slowly bleeding lower. Why bother with Apex? Hey, I'm not saying you have to. Why not? Yeah, so many direct funding. Hey, go ahead. Like I said, keep pumping your money into those direct funding firms. Do it. Same price as Apex activation fee for the same account size. Yeah, that's just that's just false. And the thing is that people don't, yeah, you know what? I'm not even going to get into it. People don't care. What if I tell you that I've been clenching my butt during this whole chop? I wouldn't be shocked. Honestly, this is a way bigger move than what it looks like because of this move. But it's been this here from the 441s now. We're almost to the point where this is a 100-point move just here. It's one of those days where the moves are a little deceptive because of how big the moves have been. You're getting butt cramps. That's unfortunate. Well, I don't know. I don't really know what to look for here. I don't want to be going short down here. I don't want to be going long down here. I mean, you got to think we're going to go and make new lows at this point. It's got to be you got to think that the bulls are getting trapped. I know, Tech. I agree. This is like right here, the bulls got trapped and they're just slowly being bled out. Like it's not a quick death. It's a slow and painful death. Those are the worst. And let's see, we didn't make new lows yet. Getting close. Man, it's tempting to go long here. But it would almost just be a scalp at this point. It's just not worth it. It's just not worth it. Every time I get really tempted to go long, it just I need to keep my finger keep my finger off the trigger. Don't try to pick the bottom here. It's not worth it. Yeah, Tech 111. I agree. I agree. If you didn't make your money off at that point where I'm almost okay with just walking away for the day, being down $25 per account in comparison to being down 200, I feel like I feel like it's actually not a bad day. But then, of course, you want to, you know, green would be better than red. Obviously. You're thinking 249 ace undercover? Oh, wow. That is crazy. Okay, now see, here's the pump that I thought we might get. Just think we're going to get a pump up and test this EMA again. Nah. Coulda, shoulda, woulda. Hey, let's go, UCLA trades. Past that 150. Let's go. PW bragged just the other day about a 25K payout, yet he paid thousands. Oh, yeah. If you track his expenses lifetime, there's no way he's in profit. No shot. But buy my course. All right, boys. Let's see if we can get above this EMA, and let's see if we can hold it. Hey, Garcia. Good morning. How we doing? Do you know that UProfit is offering 0 accounts, which means 0 daily loss? Yeah, I did see that. But you're not right. They do have a consistency rule. They do have a consistency rule, though. But it's a very, I mean, I actually looked into it, and I think that like is a very competitive account to what Top Step is offering. And I'm pretty sure that's their plan, is to give Top Step some competition. And everything, I mean, I don't mind. I think it's definitely tempting. I've been debating about it. They removed on the new ones, they have now 30, 50, and 150. Let me check. I was pretty sure that they had. I double checked, unless they just took it away like a day ago. Wow, look at this rip higher now. Uh-oh. 350s all the way up to the 400s now. Oh, this was a nice move. Now, if we can just get a nice little pullback, and then maybe we can get an entry, we start a slow grind higher, I would be down for that. But we got to stay above this EMA. Well, they just removed it this month? Well, no. I'll look again. Maybe I'm wrong. Okay, this is it right here. Let's see if we can, if we're gonna hold. See if we're gonna hold this or not. They released first 30K with consistency as beta, and now the final products are no. Okay. I'm just double checking. I'm not saying I don't believe you, but I remember right here, consistency target removed. You have a 30% consistency. Yeah, it's still there. There's a 30% consistency. It is the consistency is only removed once you get moved to an actual live account. Right there, she says it. Consistency target 30%. Removed in phase 3 live account. I knew I wasn't crazy. Amelia Stitcher, I don't think so. I don't think so. I think you might have Elite Trader Funding was. I wouldn't trust Elite Trader Funding, but I would trust. I would trust UProfit. I think UProfit is good. Mikey, I don't understand the new Apex DCA rule. Yeah, I don't either. I mean, it's just it's a carrot dangling in front of people's noses at this point. There's nothing, there's no clarity on it. There's no like actual explanation on what is allowed. So are the Apex sales still there? There's only a 50% sale going on right now. Oh, this is crazy. But Garcia, are you seeing what I'm seeing? Did you see that? I mean, there is definitely consistency rules here. It says right here, on the funded account, monetize your demo trading, access your profits by following our payout policy. Payouts in 24 hours. You can request up to 50% of your balance. The remaining funds stay in your account so you can keep trading. Very similar to Top Step. On the 5th payout request, you'll have full access to your account balance. That is better than Top Step. And then ensure at least 4 positive days between each payout request of at least $200. So they only require 4 days. Top Step requires 5. But then the 5th one is keep your gains balanced. Make sure your most successful trading day doesn't account for more than 30% of your total account profit. This reflects your ability to generate consistent results. That's the old account. They have the new products. Go to the website and then go to no Garcia. You're Garcia. I know. I got it. I got it. But you're not understanding me, sir. Let me just spell it out for you here. All right. Look. Accounts. You profit 0. 0 account right there. Now scroll all the way down right here. It says, welcome to you profit 0. You profit 0 parameters right here. 0 daily loss, contract new rules, virtual live accounts. Right here, consistency. 30% consistency required. Once you move to phase 3, which is the live account, you don't need the 30% consistency removed. But while in the funded live account, then it is a 30% consistency. I'm reading the old 30K account. I'm literally, it's literally the 0 accounts. What are you talking about? Unless they didn't update this page. Right here, it doesn't explain it, but it is required still. I double checked. I literally sent them a message. Or show me where is it saying that there are no consistency rules. Read the first rules for the 150. It doesn't mention it at all, but it isn't. Okay, you know what? Let me ask support, okay? Go to the zero count section. That is literally where I am. I am on the zero programs FAQs, the help. That's literally where I am. Okay, I see now where you guys are. Okay, so yeah, see, that's not the yeah, see, okay. Let's double check then. I see what you guys are saying now. I'm missing trades. No, not really. I'm not taking this. We need a bigger pullback than that for me to jump in. Or why would it? Wow, what a rip here. Am I going to take more trades? I don't know. Doesn't matter. If you ask one more time, I'll go on and ban you. I think that here's what I think. Here's what I think, Christopher. This is a little bit of marketing by them. On their homepage, it says zero consistency goal, but that is only in reference to the phase 3. Once you get to phase 3. In phase 2, there is a consistency rule, but in phase 3, there isn't. But they don't really clarify that. Which is kind of a little bit of a because if okay, so let's go back here. Maybe they just need to update their FAQs. I don't know. Wow, what a move lower now. All right. What do I think about Top Step? I mean, I like it. I currently, I mean, I don't think they're bad. I think do I think they're better than Apex? Like right at this exact moment in time, I think it's very close. If Apex eliminates the payout windows, I think each has their own strong suits. I think each one has their good and bad. Apex, obviously their lack of communication and enforcement of rules kind of out of the blue with no communication on it, that's terrible. They definitely need to clean that up. But one thing that my main gripe that I have with Top Step is just is how you lose your drawdown if you take your first payout. That really kind of sticks in my, I don't know. I hate that. I think that's a pretty crappy move on their part. But other than that, there's a lot of things I like about Top Step. If Apex cleans up its public face, yeah, I agree. Stock market, they need to clean up they need to do a rebranding. Honestly, they need to do a rebranding, and then they also just need to clarify rules, and they need to have black and white rules instead of these gray rules. That's number one. If I try Top Step X, yes, that's what I use. I use Top Step X. I mean, I started using Top Step about a month ago. And the only reason that I tried Top Step was the fact that they removed the daily loss limit. But that is only available on Top Step X. So that's why I chose Top Step X. But I mean, I've gotten quite a bit of payouts. It's actually kind of crazy. So can't complain. Like I said, I definitely think they are. I would, if Top Step, I would probably say Top Step is number one at the moment. I think Apex can do some things that would compete for that, but at the right now, here and now, I think I would give the edge to Top Step, honestly. Just with the lack of drama and everything involved. I think you got to give it to them. 150K. So I started out with I started out with 5 XFAs. I now have 2. So, but we did get a bunch of payouts, and I think I'm gonna do a video on it. Update my payouts. My year-to-date payouts is definitely not accurate anymore, and just update everything. because it doesn't. I was going to wait and do it with, I really, really wanted to. I was so close to cracking their top 25 list. I was so close. And then I lost the account yesterday. What account size? I have the 150Ks, 150K account. When did you start Top Step? I started a month ago. Like, no, September the 10th. September the 10th was my first, is when I first started. But I am almost at $60,000 in payouts with Top Step right now. If I YOLO combines, not really. I don't. No, not really. No, I took. I mean, I don't know. I don't know. I even remember, but it's kind of hard YOLOing their combines when you have a 50% consistency rule on it. But Christopher Garcia, did you? I mean, did you reach out to support to clarify that no consistency? Because one area it's saying no consistency, the other area it's saying there is consistency. Well, so which one is it? Yes, Sandy. Yep. Thank you, Connie. Yeah, I have never been on this big of a hot streak with a prop firm ever. It's crazy. It is crazy. I'm at 60,000 in payouts, and I have about $25,000 in profit in my current accounts that I still have. So hopefully we'll keep getting more. I'm not reading it the correct page. Go to zero count section. They have 2 sections. Okay, for the 5th time, Garcia, I want to do this one more time because I like you. But for the 100th time, let me show you. Let me show you. You are not right. You are incorrect. All right, here we are. Are we all following here? Now, discover the 0 programs. If you scroll down, I get it. Right here it says 0 consistency rule. Okay, so I see what you guys are seeing, right? So now let's go to help page. Okay, we're at the help page now, right? So now there's an area where it says you profit 0. There's an area that says legacy. Let's click on this one. Okay, everybody with me? Everybody with me here? Now let's scroll down. You profit 0, 30K account. And again, we are at the you profit 0. Let's scroll down. Right there, it clearly says consistency in the eval phase and phase 2. A 30% consistency is required. Once you move to phase 3, this requirement will be removed. Maintain consistency during the early phases to ensure your progress without affecting your evals. Okay, can I be any more clear? Am I tripping here? Am I seeing things that are not here? That's the old one? I don't know what you're talking about, old one. This is literally on their website. It's literally right here. The 150K? Where is the 150K? The virtual live account for the 150K, there doesn't say anything. And this one, it doesn't say anything about consistency. It doesn't say anything. Okay, it doesn't say there is and it doesn't say there isn't. but it says it, the only place that it actually talks about consistency is on this account, and it clearly spells it out here. Is that just a typo? I don't know. But you can't tell me that I'm not on the 0 page and I'm on the wrong. I'm not on the legacy tab. This clearly says you profit 0. Am I blind here, or what am I missing? There is no more consistency. Okay, let me go further. 2 days ago, I asked support specifically to clear this up. They said there is consistency rules in until the 3rd phase. So, unless you also contacted support in the last, in the last day, and that changed, that could be. I'm going to send them another message and see, is that also incorrect? There's obviously a discrepancy here. It says here there is a consistency rule, and elsewhere it says there isn't. But I mean, that's the rule of the beta, where it didn't say anything about beta that I saw. I'm losing brain cells by the minute. Where it doesn't say anything about the rule for the beta anywhere. And did the beta just end in the last day? Because I literally asked them about this Sunday night, and the response I got was that there is a consistency rule. Maybe that changed, but I'm just saying what I've been told, okay? Oh, man. You're good, Garcia. I'm just giving you crap. But you kind of deserve it. Accusing me of being on the wrong page. Get out of town. Okay, they changed, but when? When did they change? But when? They haven't updated the help page? If I'm using TopStepX, yes. My Apex reads have not shown up as new evals. They only appear on my platform after 5 hours? Jeez. What? That's weird, Mr. Pushup. I'll see. Why don't I contact? That's okay. I literally just sent them an email. I sent them an email and I literally screenshot both cases. I screenshot the one that said no consistency, and I screenshot the one that said 30. And I told them, which one is it? So I guess we'll hear back and we'll see. Here's what I think. And maybe I will be wrong. And if I am wrong, I'll be glad to admit it. Here's what I think. I think they're doing some interesting marketing ploys here. I think they are showing it as no consistency on the front page, because technically they can say that, because once you're in the 3rd phase in the fine print, the 3rd phase doesn't have consistency. But the first 2 phases do have consistency, and I think that is actually how it is. But we shall see. We shall see. Maybe I'll just buy an account. And we'll see for ourselves. 10K profit target, 5K max loss. Because here's the thing, like, I know how these prop firms work, okay? I know. I've been around the block. And I would put quite out. You know what I'll do? Garcia and everyone in chat, I will put a duck race on the line. If I'm wrong, we will have a duck race, okay? If there is no consistency on phase 1 and phase 2, and I will do a duck race, okay? Is that a deal? But if there is consistency rules in the first 2 phases, then I need you to type in chat very clearly. I just need you. Who all was jumping on this thing? Garcia. I'm going to need Garcia and Cody Burns. You're both going to need to type in clear English. I was wrong. Nutty was right. Okay? I'm going to need to see that. That's the deal. Those are probably the hardest ones. Those are the very difficult words to type. But I need you. That's the deal. If I'm wrong, I'll do a duck race. If you guys are wrong, you have to spell out in chat, I was wrong, Nutty was right. I love being right, by the way. I love it. I love it when my wife tells me I was right. Seldom happens, but I cherish those moments. And, you know, it makes my heart just flutter just makes me all warm and fuzzy inside. A co-worker got funded in a day, so good luck. Oh, dear Lord, help me now. I'm writing to duck back. Hey, we are starting to grind higher. So I'm feeling a little more confident. This is a slow grind higher though, but at least I feel a little bit confident. I'll buy an Apex account if you're wrong. You have to use my code though. Deal, Cody Burns, deal. But you can wait until there's at least an 80% sale. I would hate to make anyone buy an eval at 50% off, but you know. Hey, I hope I'm wrong, honestly. If I'm wrong, that you profit zero account is actually pretty legit. That is a pretty. I'll probably give it a try. I'll probably try them out. Maybe I can have a similar success as I'm having on Top Step. But I'm gonna take Top Step for everything I can, man. That's my plan. I'm gonna run this account up as high as I can, and I'm gonna take as much money from Top Step as I possibly can, man. And I'm gonna love every minute of it. How do we know when the 50% off is gonna end? I guess we don't. We just have to wait. We just have to wait. You being right is something that holds your progress in trading. You're not wrong. I already know that. That is definitely true. Oh, what have we gotten ourselves into? Can you please tell me how you can have the drawing boards on your left? Oh, right here? This is also an indicator from Trade Devil Indicators. But the Trade Devil Indicator, I forget what they call it, but there is a link down below. If you go to the Trade Devil Indicators, it should show up there. Drawing tools or something like that. I forget exactly how it's called, but that is where it's from. And if you use the code NUTTY10, it'll get you a nice 10% discount on those indicators. Or you can try it for free for 7 days. You can't go wrong with Trade Devil Indicators. As you guys saw, I mean, I haven't really talked about it, but I do have an affiliation now with Trade Devil Indicators. I've been using Trade Devil Indicators for about a year, and they used to not have an affiliate program. And 2 months ago, they started one, and hey, they said, hey, would you mind? And I said, why, sure. I'll take free money every day of the week, 7 times a day. So we have an affiliation now with Trade Devil Indicators. Nutty10 will get you 10% off. I know it's not a lot, but it's better than nothing. 10% is more than 0%. That's all I'm saying. All right, this is where I feel like we could pull the trigger here and keep a tight stop. Wait for an actual entry though. You gotta wait for an entry. Oh, well, maybe it's gonna rip. It's called a drawing tool. Oh, really, Peter L? It's free? Oh, well, then don't mind me. Don't pay for something if you can get it for free. Never mind me. FTT still approving payouts from 913. Might be a while before I get my payout. Hey, I'll pray for you, Martin. I like how they started promoting that. Oh, we're currently on payout day October 8th. We're paying out October 8th. Meanwhile, I know of a ton of people that have been waiting since the 15th through the 20th that haven't been paid yet. And they're just trying to make it sound and seem like they're getting caught up when in reality they're not. But people are scared. People are literally scared to say that they're waiting on payouts. They're afraid to complain because Scott literally threatened people that if they complain and be impatient, then, you'll get doxxed. So, or you'll just get outright banned. And then when he finally does pay out someone, then he, hey, I'll pay you out, but give me a 5-star review on Trustpilot. He's a real class act, that guy. Real classy guy. All right, well, now it's, man, I'm not feeling quite as good about this. I mean, I guess we got to take it if it's above this and we can have her stop right here. All right, let's see if we get filled. Let's see if we get filled. This is kind of just a small position. Yeah, foo-foo-rar. Not only that, but I don't know if Scott is aware, but credit card company processors, they kind of frown upon that kind of action. And if he does that with the information that he has, and he starts doing that, that credit card processor is going to remove that option. It is literally illegal, and a credit card processor will not associate with a company that threatens to dox people or that actually does the doxing. They will not associate themselves with those kind of companies. But it doesn't appear like Scott has much of common sense, so he probably doesn't even know that. Either way, whatever. I do hope everyone gets paid. And we're in. Everybody hold on. Can we get a rip here? Can we get a move? I'm not looking for anything crazy here. Just, I really would appreciate if this would keep going higher now. We take a loss here. I'm going to call it a day. And we're going to look back on it and be like, man, I should have walked away earlier. Uh-oh, it's doing the thing. It's doing the thing where it's just filling me to the tick and then ripping lower. Man, I hate when it does this. Okay. Well, it was a good effort. Good effort. This is one of those clenching trades, but actually it's not even a clenching trade. This is where you just give up. You just surrender and accept the consequences. It's totally fine. on you profit if they pay out. I mean, yeah, you profit has been around for quite some time. This is this is not going to be a good trade. This is going to stop me out here the way this is looking. Literally got filled and just, man, I barely got filled. Maybe by one tick. That's unfortunate. Is the 1 day to pass still active? Yes, it is. Why not try to get out on a micro pop? I mean, I might, but if we hold this and we don't rip lower here, then there is a chance that this can rip higher. So I'm at the point where we have accepted the loss, so I'm just going to let it go. Just going to leave it. See if we rip through this 375. Come and take me higher, please. Please take me higher. Hazel, the 80% Apex only is offering 50% off right at the moment. Hey, maybe. I'm going to just not look at the market. I'm not going to look at the price. Maybe then it'll go. The good old hope and nope. I'm not going to look at it. It's going to do the old hope and nope. It's going to do the hope and nope. Watch. Why do I use NQ chart to trade MNQ? It's just easier, or I think it's easier, I guess. Instead of having to switch between charts, I can just click on this button right here, and it'll do it for me. Makes it a little easier. All right, moment of truth here. Moment of truth is upon us. Does not look promising. And we are stopped on my one contract. Okay, that's weird. Imagine it doesn't stop me out on this one, but it only did on the first one, which was one tick higher. Tell me it ain't so. Oh my word. Look at this. This is crazy. Look at that. Is this real life? The market makers thought they got me, but I still got one contract left. Guys, I still got one left. Ha ha ha. Na boo boo. You didn't stop me out all the way. Come and get me. Come on, do it. I know you want to. What a troll. What a troll job. Absolute troll. I'm going to taunt the market now. It deserves it. What a joke. What a joke you are, market. I don't take you seriously now. You couldn't even stop me out both contracts. Jeez. Absolutely pathetic. You are pathetic. That's right. Market does not like it when you taunt. But I don't care. I'm going to test something here. You can't do it. Real. I shouldn't have taunted. The market makers got the message. They're like, oh yeah, we left one hanging there, boys. Go get it. Go get it. We left one hanging. We thought we had him, but we didn't. Didn't quite get all of them. It's like, nope, still don't have it. Just a little bit lower. There you go. You can do it. Hey, there you go. I knew you could do it. Ah, I knew you could do it. Now, just would be just perfect here if this would rip higher now. Would be just a perfect example. This would be evidence number 3,244 of how the market is totally 100% someone is doing something fishy. That's all I'm saying. Not accusing anyone of anything here, but this is evidence, more evidence if we don't go lower. Okay, maybe. Anyway, I guess we got to call it. We got to walk away here. This is not ideal price action to begin with, and really, I mean, it is what it is. Really, the big problem was today, this trade right here. But honestly, $120 red day, not terrible. I'm not that upset about it. It could have been way worse. It could have been way worse with this type of sell-off. So, oh, hey, Sharoos with the flex, 720 points. Nice, nice. Let me check. Let me check you profit. I want to see if we've gotten any official word. Do we have any official word back on the consistency? Nope, I don't have anything yet. No confirmation. So I guess we can't, I guess we gotta wait. We gotta wait till tomorrow, but I'll be sure to update you guys. Black coffee with a bigger flex, 844 points. Woo! Now everyone's gonna check their points. I don't even know if you can get more than 1,000 points. Everyone's gonna do it. Oh, Matty Matt with the 985 points. Wow. Oh, man. I love it. I love it. All right, guys, I do have to go. Kind of, it is what it is kind of day, and we'll take it to the chin. Not that bad. Hopefully be back and have a green day tomorrow. So that's it for today, folks. Appreciate everyone tuning in, and we will be back tomorrow. Take care. Also, my top 10 video dropped this morning. Make sure you watch that. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends, your family, your relatives, and just everywhere. Just do it. All right, guys. Appreciate it. Take care. Have a great rest of your day, and God bless.